Need to share a whole collection of files at once. Instead of sending each file separately, Mega lets you share an entire folder. In this guide, I'll show you how to prepare a folder, create a share link, manage access, and safely send it to someone else. So let's get started. First, open Mega and sign in to your account. Go to your Cloud Drive and locate the folder you want to share. Before sharing, quickly check the folder contents and make sure there are no private or unnecessary files inside. Next, select the folder and open the available sharing options. Depending on your Mega interface, you may see options for sharing the folder directly or creating a link. For a simple transfer, the link option is usually the easiest way to send the folder. Choose the option to create or get a share link. Mega will generate a link that you can copy and send to others. If additional link or access settings are available, review them before copying the final link. Make sure you're comfortable with who can access the folder. Now copy the folder link and send it using email, messaging, or another communication method. Before sending, double-check that you selected the correct folder. You know, it's easy to share the wrong item when you're managing lots of files. If you need more controlled collaboration, check whether your Mega account provides direct folder sharing or contact-based access options. You may be able to invite specific people and manage their permissions. Review the available access levels carefully before sending the invitation. After sharing the folder, you can return to its sharing settings to review or change access. If you no longer want the folder shared, use the available link or access management controls to stop or modify sharing. So, it's a good idea to check these settings whenever the project changes. And that's how you share a folder with Mega. Check the contents, open the sharing options, create your link or invite the right people, and manage access when needed. Pretty simple, right?